Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to my channel Tech It Simple, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log into your Walmart One account. So for those people who do not know what Walmart One is, basically in Walmart there's a regular Walmart website and there's another Walmart website which is for employees. So if you're a customer, you're gonna go to Walmart.com. But if you guys are not a customer and you work for Walmart, or you're like associate of Walmart and you want to go to Walmart One, which is like the employee sector of Walmart today, you can manage your contract, schedule your leave, and talk to your manager and do other stuff, right? And that's the Walmart we're going to be logging into today. The employee one are also known as Walmart One. So follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you in order to log into a Walmart One account. But if you guys are new to our channel, Tech It Simple, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, just search for Walmart employee login for the beatdown and read says my scheduled Walmart One. Click on it. And it's going to take you to the official website of Walmart One, so wait for some time until it loads up. And once you're in this website, basically what you need to do is click on where it says login at the top right corner of the screen. And it's going to take you to the login page. Over here you need to enter your user ID, whichever user ID that was given to you by Walmart, and over here you want to choose which country is Walmart to work for. Our free choose that you want to choose, like which place you work in, like your store, club, or like everything, choose that. And over here you need to enter your store number or your club number. After I entered the number over here, click on sign in. And basically if you have an account, then you should be able to log in into your account of Walmart One. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time.